Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a back to school necessity or essentials emergency bag for young ladies and tweens, teenagers, for high schoolers, whatever. That's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna get right into it. The first thing you want to have with your emergency kit is going to be your emergency bag. This is a small bag that'll be kept separate from your book bag, your purse, whatever. You can just keep it over inside of there and keep all of your essential emergency kit inside of here. So it's like a little cosmetic bag. Next, you will need some deodorant. You always want to keep that on you. With this pandemic, you definitely want to keep you some Clorox wipes. It doesn't really have to be Clorox. You can use any type of disinfectant wipes. These were like $2 from Target. You can do those, or you can do like some wet wipes. I have those as well. These you can get for like I believe $1 or $1.99 as well, which is kind of like a better buy because you get 30 wipes versus the Clorox 9 comes in that kit. Then you don't want to forget sanitizer, of course. Your Aleve. I usually do Tylenol, but I couldn't find any in the little travel size. You want to have part of your emergency kit. You want to have some pads or tampons, whichever one you use. You want to keep some extra, and what I would do is just open them up and put them over inside your bag. Like what we gave our little girls, we gave them, you know, like these inside their bag, and they fit right over in there. You want to have your mouthwash. You know, hygiene is key. You want to stay fresh all the time. Your mouthwash, and you got your mouthwash. You want to keep your pack of bubble gum after lunch. You know, also what's good too, a travel size toothbrush and toothpaste after lunch. You know, that's really good. I didn't have any travel size. You want to keep you some, they do have the small sizes. You can get these from Dollar Tree or any dollar store. These are, you know, more convenient. These fit over inside there, but by the time you start putting all of your things, you might not have room for your wipes. Of course, these not going to fit in there at all. So you might just want to keep like some little packets like this. Also, you want to keep you some panty liners in between your menstrual cycle. Some wet wipes, you know, after a long day. I'm sorry, some feminine wipes. Any type of lip balm or lip gloss or anything like that, you can keep that. I keep some makeup wipes to refresh your face throughout the day. You got makeup wipes. And with the pandemic, what I do with my kids and the girls in our girls group, what we do with them is we like to keep some disposable gloves. Like I keep disposable gloves on me at all times. These are $1 from Walmart. It comes with 120. I will put like 10 gloves in a Ziploc bag and keep them either in your bag or your book bag. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and stay tuned for my next video.